Alright guys, today on DIY Dad, we're going to take down a dead tree. Not a big tree. Big enough though that I can vlog it and show you what it takes to take it down, dig out the roots, and replant another tree from my yard that I'm going to move over there, which is pretty big too. So I don't know if I'll get it all done in one day, but I'm going to try. I'll let you guys come along for the ride. Here we go. That's two major roots. Now I gotta get this one right here. I think it's time for a beer break though. Alright, now beer break time. I'm tired. Be right back. You all know what time it is. Sweet baby Jesus time. That's right. That's good. Well, in case anyone was wondering, that tree used to look like that tree, but bigger. I don't know if it was a longhorn beetle or ants or some kind of bug. They killed my tree. So, I gotta take it out. I'm gonna try to pull it out root and all so that I could plant another tree there. I'm gonna put a red maple that's actually growing over here in the corner, if I can get it out. If you can see it back there, it's behind the flag. But anyway, that's gonna go here. All right, I was gonna use my pickup truck to pull it out, but it looks like I got it pretty close, as you can tell. And I'm gonna rock this thing until it falls. Let's see. Okay. I recorded the tree when it was up. Whew. Focus. Alright, go easy. Wait. Go ahead. I think the rope's just gonna snap. It doesn't want, it's gotta lift up and out. Hang on. Now doing it. Try a little more. I don't think lift it up. It's going to snap. And there you go.
And you snap the rope.
You need a heavy rope. I think it's going to snap.
You don't have a tow chain? You have a tow strap? I have one.
Yeah?
Yeah. You want?
That was clever, we can't move it.
Go easy. I'll help it.
Done. So let's do nothing easy.
Go ahead, go very easy. Hang on. Go ahead. All right, stop. Hey! Big enough, the hole?
Young and strong. Make sure the pretty side is on the city pretty side.
Whoa. Found this.
We did it. Did you use the strap or?
Hell yeah, that round just made a move. Yeah.
You're gonna look straight, but I wouldn't notice it. Don't listen to us. You don't even notice that we took it down.
Let it back down.
I think that's good. Uh-oh. But to leave the sprinkler on for a while.
Yeah. I want to wet it before I burn it.
You You don't think we should go get something like the mulch or something?
Put around.
Go run to Home Depot?
Milk the tree today.
Fill with some water and then I'll backfill it. Hope it stays alive.
Right, me too.
Got way bigger than I thought.
It's a pretty tree.
Oh, look at the tree. Come
same
see
as
the
that?
tree.
The baby of that one.
Yeah, that's huge, that one. It's gonna get that big, no?
I think it would look better if we spun at 180 degrees.
Come on, just spin the bowl.
This one broke off.
These are cute. I like these.
You do? They're fake. They're fake? Yeah, like a lot of my stuff is fake.
Oh.
What do you think, they're real?
Are those
Yep.
really?
Yep. Nothing up here is real except for these.
That's a little more wet, huh?
Is that better? Let's see. We'll have to put something there now.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a garden.
And it needs some more dirt. It's a little bit of a hole there.
You wanna take a ride? I mean, I don't think we're gonna have any time tomorrow.
The tree is moved. I don't know what we got on video, but we had to pull it out with a pickup truck and move it. So hopefully it lives. Keep it well watered. Okay, I put a little brick around it. I put peat moss, mulch, plant food to help it grow. But hopefully, looks so far so good. And then over here, a little bit for now. Put a plant in the middle. There's the peat moss. Got a new shovel since I broke my other one. See how it goes. Oh, I got some insect killer to put around it also. Alright guys, it's been about 3 months since I put the tree in, as you can see next to me right here. Didn't want to post a video right away to make sure the tree did live, and she lived. It's now mid-July. I believe it was sometime in April that I did the tree, and I'm going to just turn the camera around and I'll show you that other little corner garden, how that's growing. There it is. It's filled in a little bit. I planted a few things. I gotta actually pull some stuff out of here now. Some overgrowth. And there she is, living well. Got a little taller. Put some of the old hostas around the mailbox that were around the dead tree, just to utilize them, and it actually filled it pretty good. Put a few bricks around it. Here's a quick update for you. This is the raised garden. We planted a few vegetables in there. They're doing quite well. Got some lettuce and whatnot. Iceberg head lettuce. Kale, cabbage, oregano, lavender, celery, all looking good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.